Learn how to install the print head. Open the print head locking cover. Peel the protective tape off the color print head. Do not touch. Install the color print head to the left side. Peel the protective tape off the black print head. Do not touch. Install the black print head to the right side. Close the print head locking cover completely by pressing it down until you hear a click. Push in the joint buttons firmly until you hear a click. If red X, try locking firmly again. Close the top cover. The procedure for installing the print head is now complete.